So we're going to attach the handle. I'm just going to tack stitch in position. About 1/2 centimetre from the edge of the fabric. So now we're going to attach the lining, which we have tacked the wadding onto, and the panels, and we're going to create small individual panels and then sew the panels together to create the basket. So I'm going to use this lining, this wadding, as my size guide for stitching. So we're going to stitch all the way around, leaving a turning gap at the bottom. So this is going to be our turning gap here. Position. And you can do a back stitch all the way around the edge of the wadding, or you can do a machine stitch, whichever works for you. If you're doing it all by hand, it probably take you about 5 minutes to stitch this one. I'm going to show you by hand starting, and then I'm actually going to do it with my machine. So I'm just going to got a knot in the end of my, oops, my knot's too small. Double stitch to start, and then I'm just going to do back stitch, just following the edge. Like so. And you want to make sure that the edge with the handles is the one that's that you sew completely across. You don't want your turning gap to be along this edge, you want it along the bottom. Right, I'm going to show you in a minute. Just a quick tip, when you're putting the handles on, fold it like a square almost. That way these two side ones where it attaches to the edge will be completely straight. If you leave it on a curve, it might be like this as you sew, and then you've got a wonky handle. It just makes it so much easier. So we've stitched the 4 sides onto the base. This is the outside and this is the lining. And now we're going to start making the little basket. So we fold up the sides like so, and we're going to stitch along each of these sides.